How to make a video with pictures and music in CapCut. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can make a video with pictures and music in CapCut. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to do it. So if you want to make a video with pictures and music in CapCut, you can just follow up this method. First thing is heading over to CapCut itself, and what you need to do is after it opens up, you can go ahead and tap on this new project from the screen and create up a new project. After that, all you need to do is, if you want to make a video with pictures and music, you need to go to the photos section and you can just go ahead and select up the pictures that you may want in order to make a video. So for example, these, just go ahead and add those pictures. After that is done, you can increase and decrease the length of the video by making the duration longer or shorter for each of the pictures. And once that is done, you can also add effects if you want. And when you do that, you can just go ahead and do that. After that, go to this audio tab in the button and you can use these options in order to add sounds to that particular pictures. And when you go ahead and export this, it will be converted into a video form directly. So that is how you make a video with pictures and music in CapCut. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.